In this video, I'll show you how to blur background on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to assume that I'd like to post this picture for a blurred background. So what you're going to do once you find the picture that you want to post is you're going to drag the notification center or the control center from the top of your phone until you see the background is blurred enough to your liking, and then you're going to take a screenshot. Now, once you take a screenshot of this, you're going to go to the photo that you took a screenshot of, and you're going to crop out the top and bottom part of the photo so as not to show the screenshot. Now, once you have it, you're going to go back to the photo that you screenshotted, and you're going to click on the item that's at the top. If you use an iPhone, once you click on it, it's going to highlight it and you're going to be able to copy. Now you're going to go to Instagram and you're going to press the plus button at the middle of the bottom navigation. Once you press it, this is what it should look like. And you're going to choose whether you'd like to post a story or a reel. Once you pick up your post, you're going to click on next. And right on top of your post, you're going to put in your cursor and then you're going to hold it for a few seconds and you're going to see paste. Then here you're going to paste the item and you're going to lay it on top of the blurred item so as for it to match. And just like that, you have a blurred background on Instagram. This is the idea of how to blur background on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.